7016 6th Avenue Northwest. Camera inspection, pulling back from tie-in on the corner of the back corner of the house.
Got it zeroed?
Yep.
There's Y45 right there? Or is it gradually coming?
It's Y45.
Okay. How many feet back from the tie-in?
8 feet.
Will you locate this Y45 back on this corner if there is one?
Yeah, if I can see it. Hold up, slow. Can't really see. Yeah, it's over here, huh? See that water coming out. Yeah, I didn't see a Y45 coming back here. There's a couple root balls that are blocking me.
Okay, how about the transition? Can you locate the transition?
Can you turn that water off real quick?
Up?
Yeah,
Huh?
off.
Off?
Yeah, off. Go back down. Shake that off. There's a bunch of stuff on the lens. Alright. Alright, pull back some more. Says we're right back here.
Can you see a transition?
No. I'm where I'm standing is where I'm locating. Alright, stop. Go in a couple inches. A foot maybe.
Go down?
Yeah, go in. Alright, right there. God, I can't see anything on the screen. It's right under this, where you got up on the thing.
What?
There's a turn right here where you got up on the roof.
There's a transition there?
No, it's a turn. Looks like a Y turn. Come back. Alright, stop. Now it looks like we're in cast. Go out. Out. Alright, stop there.
Pretty shallow.
Right, yeah, it's right here where it comes out. It comes out from right under this beam off the roof.
You mark it with something? How deep? How deep?
4 feet. God, this is not
Difficult?
yeah, it's so difficult.
That's cast and clay?
Yeah, underneath this overhang. I can't see barely anything either.
Yeah.
Right under here.
Is there an area to dig?
I mean, it'd be a pain in the butt.
Okay. What about the turn, or is that turn at the same spot?
Turns like right here.
Turn's easier to get at?
Yeah.
And the turn's 3-4 feet.
I can't see the top of the thing when I'm down there. Go out another foot or two, catch the turn again.
How deep is it? Yeah, let's get the turn. I don't care about
That's what.
Don't worry about the depth of the bed.
Probably at least that butter.
That it?
No, one more. Keep going. Right there. Stop.
Are you still recording?
Yep.
Is that around the turn?
No, drive it for it. Hold on. That's also underneath the overhang. Go out around it. Right there.
Want me to move this? I can. It's easy to move.
Showing 6 feet. Yeah.
Is it diving?
Yeah, a little bit.
Dives as it comes out of the house?
Yeah. Because over there 4 and then 6 here. But it's right on the other side of this AC unit, right underneath the barbecue.
That's 6?
Yeah.
So it's coming out
This-
and wrapping?
Yeah, it's wrapping right underneath the AC, so it's here or nothing.
Okay. Okay.
So
Pull
there's
it back.
a drain in
All right.
there. There's a drain in there after it doesn't.
That probably catches in right inside the cast.